Okay, Kenny here with another project from Mark Johnson with Artisan Restoration. Man, those guys know how to do some fun stuff. I got some telephone poles here behind me and unused rejects. I don't know what they are, but they're treated, and we're gonna make a gate for the Iowa DNR. So let's take a look at what we're doing here. It's kind of hard to see that right there, but that is one of the gates. This is the large gate. Looks like that. Good. Looks like this is. Oh my goodness! Who wrote all that? There's the small gate. So we need to build those. Okay, so this is what's left of them right here. We got chunks. Got the hardware taken off already. Those are 2 gates or what's left of them. And we got some measurements off. We're gonna try to put that on these here and redo that.
What?